What's up, YouTube? So today, I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's a 40 MHHC. It's an 18. Every time I try to make a video, I always got a helicopter. So this head we just replaced yesterday. We had a leak on this coil. So I don't know if you can just replace the coil or not, because they gave us a whole new head instead of the coil. I don't know. Don't matter. But to get to the wheel, you have to, pull and clean the wheel with the motor. This one's really easy. I remember the first time I did it, I was trying to figure it out. But we're gonna have 3 screws. I'm missing a screw here. We already, like I said, this one don't have to go back. So you're gonna take this screw out. This screw's got to come out. You guys can see. It's a little easier when it's on the wall. So you got those. You have 3 here. You got to get this one out. You see it already moving. I take that off. You can see how it's already starting to come out, man. Pretty straightforward. Also, real quick, take these out. We got to unplug your motor. And this one, was it that one? No. This one right here for the swing. That's what we got to do. And then we take this screw out. Tell you what, man, it is really easy. I was surprised. So, you gotta remember, I got copper. Give me 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I have nowhere to put you down. Forget another screw. You get stuck. Hold on. Alright, we're just getting hung. This thing's sitting flush on the van here. If it was on the wall. You see I'm getting hung on the copper behind me. So if this thing was hanging on the wall, it would be a lot easier for you. See, I'm getting hung on this copper. There you go, man. You can see it's got some broken fins and stuff. But like I said, if it was on the wall, it'd be a little easier. Because I'm getting hung here trying to slide it out. Everything's moving, so. Oh, one other thing, man. You got to watch on this. I went to pull and clean a wheel one day. And the way this head was mounted, I just couldn't get my finger in here. It was pretty close to the wall. On this drain, I wind up snapping it flush. So I had to get a whole new lower chassis. And you just got to take that clip and pop it free. But you got to be careful. I mean, like I said, it's sometimes, you're so close to the wall or something. Me trying to get my hands in here. Remember, you're going to have the copper and everything coming through. But pretty straightforward, man. Let's get it back in. And, pop it into place and you're good to go. That's how you do it, man. I really hope that helps somebody out. I wish I had seen a video when the first one I did. I was trying everything. And I started taking some screws out, and all of a sudden this side started to drop, and I'm like, oh, okay. So guys, man, you gotta hit that like button. Alright guys, take it easy. See you.